Hi friends, today we're going to read Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm. I don't know about you, but I have not ever seen a snowstorm in summer. Maybe you've seen one, but I have not. Alright, so this is Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm by, written and illustrated by Ned Young. Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm. Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm, Ned Young. Okay. Hey, Mom, yelled Zoomer. It's really, really hot outside. Can I have a snow cone? On one condition, said Mom. I know, said Zoomer, that I clean up the kitchen when I am done. So he needs to clean up the kitchen when he is finished. Zoomer switched on the snow cone machine and looked through the cupboards. Let's see, he thought. What flavor do I want? After making his choice, he turned around and saw his snow cone was now about 3 feet deep. Uh-oh, thought Zoomer, I better get the mop. He's gonna go get the mop, and I think he's gonna try to clean up his mess. But after thinking about it, Zoomer decided to put on his hat and mittens and open the kitchen window instead. So he put on his hat and his mitten. I wonder what he's gonna do. As usual, the twins had something to say to their little brother. Hey, what's with the hat and mittens? Asked Hooper. Okay, he's saying, what's with those hat and mittens? It's summer out. Yeah, said Cooper. It's like 100 degrees out here. Not for long, replied Zoomer. The hot summer weather suddenly turned icy cold as winter came pouring into the backyard. Do you guys see it? It's coming out this window, and it's like water spraying. I'm telling, said Hooper, shivering. Why? Said Zoomer. I already asked Mom for permission to turn summer into winter, Cooper said, his teeth chattering. How are we supposed to practice for our baseball game with this in the way? Complained Hooper. I guess we'll just have to play around it, Cooper said with a huff. So look at, they're gonna try to play around the snow. But it looks like there's a lot of it. While Hooper and Cooper griped about the freezing weather, Zoomer got right to work taking advantage of the first snowstorm of the season. Look at, what is he doing?
It's winter in the summer.
It is. It looks like he might be trying to make something. You see, I see a big round ball.
A snow cone.
Is that a snow cone?
A giant snow cone.
I think it might be a giant snowball.
I think it's going to be a snow cone.
Let's see.
Oh,
look at that.
An ice sculpture.
An ice sculpture. And look at, I see a butterfly. I like how they have a little butterfly flying around where it's all snowy and cold. After Zoomer had finished his snow sculpture, he decided it needed some company. So he finished his snow sculpture, and look at the butterfly landed on it. What did he make?
A duck.
A duck. So he built his very own wildlife sanctuary filled with animals and creatures from near, far, yesterday, and beyond. Whoa. He made a lot of different animals out of his
and even dinosaurs.
snow cone stuff.
And dinosaurs.
Oh, you're right. Dinosaurs, and there's a whale.
There's another dinosaur right there.
Yeah, I think that's a
A
pterodactyl.
dragon.
A dragon. There's an owl.
Elephant. A turtle.
And turtle. And look at this one. This dragon is like coming out of the ground.
Oh, I bet that's a dragon that can make portals and make it so that it comes out of another portal. Like, those are portals.
So cool. I also like these dolphins.
Yeah.
Later that day, Zoomer took a hot chocolate break in the polar empire of Zoomartica and gave his brothers a friendly little wave. "Don't look," whispered Hooper. "You'll only encourage him." "You have to admit, though," whispered Cooper, "that is pretty cool." So the one brother is saying, don't look. And Zoomer is drinking hot chocolate in summer, which is kind of silly because in summer we think about drinking lemonade, right?
Yeah.
"Toot toot," shouted Zoomer. "Hey," said Hooper, "can't you see we're trying to practice here?" But when Zoomer began building, oh my goodness, look at, he built a train.
With a track.
That is so cool. And amusement park, their mittens went on faster than a happy puppy's wagging tail. So look at, oh my gosh, look at all those rides. They wanted to go on the ride, so they put on their mittens. That is so cool. Look at the Ferris wheel.
His friends went on it?
His brothers. I think those are his brothers.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and they all look very happy. Like they're having a lot of fun.
Or that could be just the same dog going on all the obstacles.
I think they're all different dogs. When Zoomer's tummy grumbled that it was close to dinner time, he scampered to the kitchen and cleaned up all the snow. As Zoomer finished, Mom and Dad came in. "Zoomy," said Mom, "you look hungry. What would you like for dinner?" Wants to know what he'd like to eat for dinner. "Chili," yipped Zoomer. "Chili!" exclaimed Mom. "Yeah," said Zoomer. "On a really, really cold day like today, a big, hot, steaming bowl of chili would hit the spot." Dear," said Dad nervously, "did Zoomer just say, on a cold day like today?" On a cold day like today. "Well, okay then," said Mom. "Chili it is." Because this is outside their door. You see they came out the door and they're looking at all the snow sculptures he made. Look at, they're eating their chili on top of the dog. The dog snow sculpture.
No, you know the ancient thing from the desert?
Yes, a pyramid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, not a pyramid. One
eating.
of those sculptures.
Oh, yes, they're eating on the sculpture. The end. Our book is all finished. We hope you liked it.